Most people waste their mornings. They hit snooze, scroll through their phones, and start their day in a rush. But what if you did something different? What if you took control of that precious time? This is the story of an ordinary guy who decided to find out. He set himself a challenge: wake up at 5 a.m. every single day for 90 days straight. At first, it was pure torture. You know the feeling, right? The alarm blares in the dark, your warm bed feels like the most comfortable place on earth, and every cell in your body screams, just 5 more minutes. His mind begged him to go back to sleep, but he ignored it. He forced himself out of bed, day after day, pushing through the initial pain and grogginess. Slowly, something began to shift. As the sun rose, he discovered a secret weapon: the power of the morning. While the rest of the world was still asleep, he was building an empire of discipline. He started his day with a jog, feeling the cool air fill his lungs. He spent time journaling, clearing his mind and setting his intentions. He read books, feeding his brain with new ideas and knowledge. By 9 a.m., when most people were just sipping their first coffee and checking emails, he had already accomplished more than they would all morning. He had exercised, learned, and meticulously planned his day for maximum impact. He was operating on a different level. Of course, not everyone understood. His friends thought he was crazy. While they were staying up late, partying, and posting about their wild nights, he was winding down, preparing for his 5 a.m. start. They sent him messages at midnight, laughing at his new routine, calling him boring. But while they were trading their mornings for a few hours of fleeting fun, he was investing his. He was planting seeds that they couldn't see, watering them with consistency and dedication. And then, after 90 days, everything changed. The transformation was undeniable. He wasn't just waking up early. He was sharper, more energetic, and healthier than ever before. His focus was laser-like. In a crucial business meeting, he presented a new idea he had developed during his quiet morning hours. The pitch was brilliant, confident, and well-researched. The room was stunned, then erupted in applause. He had done it. The same friends who had mocked him now looked on in shock, a hint of regret in their eyes. They saw his success, his confidence, his newfound energy, and they finally understood. They realized the hard truth far too late. Discipline is what builds the life you want. Success isn't about luck or talent alone. It's forged in the small, consistent choices you make when no one is watching. It starts with a simple decision, like what time you choose to wake up. Remember, discipline is the bridge that connects your goals to your reality. Thanks for watching. If this story resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you build a better life. See you in the next one.